God choosing in up by your children can walk, children can get you, children can blood you.
Look at where they came in. Look at where they came in. Look at where they came in. I did this to my mother. I owe you nothing. But you never leave. Look at their legs.
He said from what never said, maybe country will catch you,
This is wickedness. No, this is wickedness. Where has come my mother's money?
No, you remember. Whoever
that did this to my mom will never go unpunished. They left after breaking into the house. They went through this.
God choosing it. God choosing it. God choosing it.
My people, waiting we go call this one. Why are people so heartless? How can somebody get the mind and conscience to go to this old woman's house to go and pick up her things? According to Evan Okoro, her mother went on a crusade. Coming back to her house, she don't find out say people invaded her house and collected her money and everything, valuables, even the TV. Everything went there for the house. This one they heartbreaking. Wait till we go call this one. This is wickedness. This is pure wickedness. Hey God. See as the woman just they cry, they weep, say wetin I do my enemies. Wetin I look at now. They made their way with everything. Look at how they scattered the house. There is no way you will tell me that anything that come out from this woman, this grieved woman now, will not come to pass. Anything obuno meperonia we kuni sinda hobiara na this house. Those people that invaded this house and collected all her valuables, anything she says must come to pass in their head. Like this is wickedness. House where this girl just launched barely a month ago in April 1st. That's what they. Oh my God, this is not good at all. Whoever did this thing, you don't even think about the nemesis. Karma is real, oh. Karma is real. You will not say it's hunger that pushed you. Which kind of hunger will go push you to go to another person's house, go take her things? Person where you don't know whether she dey chop well. Person where you don't know how she's coping in this hard economy. Now you just enter the person's house, go collect her things. Come they put them on hunger. Which kind of hunger be that one? This is pure wickedness. More things they happen, oh. Hi Jesus. As I watch the video, now water just they pop from my eyes. I say this one is beyond. This is extreme. This one is extreme, guys. It's not fair. This is somebody's hard work. This is somebody's suffering. Look at the way the woman just they cry. Just they cry for person. And you talk say anything when she talk no go come to pass. That one a lie. If she open her mouth, everything when she talk, as long as her heart dey heavy, that thing must come to pass. May una dey fear God for this country. If they catch one of them now, can't they do something to them? People go they pity them. But when they do another person, they know they get hurt. They know they pity anybody. Guys, this one pain me, I no go lie. But may God be the judge. May God be the judge. This one weak me. Guys, please stay safe out there. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. It's still Amiable Girl Cindy. Bye.